Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I did my 2019 bullet journal flip through and setup of what it looks like. I honestly cannot write and film at the same time. Like my boy might go write with my hand. You guys, it would suck. So I just decided to do a flip through and show you guys what it currently looks like. And I also have some of February in there just because I've already started planning for February. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy and let's get started. Okay, so this is my bullet journal. It is a Leuchtturm 1917, I think, a bullet journal. I started this in 2018. It's for 2019, but I was so excited to start a new one because my 2018 was my first year bullet journaling, so I feel like it was not the best. Now I think that this is a lot better. So again, this is the Leuchtturm 1917 bullet journal. I got it because of Amanda Rach Lee recommended it, and I actually love it. Okay, so as we open it up, this is my first page. This is my cover page. I'm sorry I had to cover this up just because it has my personal email on it and I don't want any crazy emails. I decided to use some craft paper and write my name and my email, and then around it I decided to just decorate it with flowers. I think it looks really, really cute. I got this idea from another YouTuber. I don't know her name, but I think it looks so, so cute. So that's what that looks like. And then as we go on to the next page, I have my key, so this is it. So I have task, due date, canceled, appointment. Honestly, I never follow this, but I thought it was really cute. Again, for the beginning of the year, I kind of stuck with like the purple and floral theme. Then this is my index. Again, this came with the journal. Honestly, I never use these. I'm trying to, but I kind of don't. So yes. Then again, we have a couple more pages for the index. I stuck with the craft paper and flower theme. And then I decided to use these as my intro page. So I have 365 new days, 365 new chances. And then I have 2019. I have yet to color in these flowers. I keep on forgetting that they are there, so I need to do that. And then on the next page, I have my future logs. So the last 6 months have already been planned, so I'd rather not show those. But here are the next 6 months toward the end of the year. So this was very tedious. I had to write every day of the month. Took a while, but it is complete. And on the next page, I have my grid spacing cheat sheet inspired by Amanda Rach Lee. And then this page is my traveling page. So I want to get like a HP Sprocket eventually or something similar to that, so that when I print out pictures, they're not like actual picture material, they're just paper and I can stick them in here. But right now I had to print this out at CVS, so it's actually like picture material, so it's hard to stick on here. But this is my traveling page, so I decided to make one of these so I can put pictures of every place I went or just write places. Honestly, if I go a lot of places, it's not all gonna fit here, so I'm gonna put my favorite ones here. So this one is my first vacation or little travel of the year. I went to my boyfriend's BMT graduation in San Antonio, January 3rd through January 6th. The next page has my schedule on it, so I'm gonna skip that because I don't want people knowing where I am at what time. So that's first college. Then here are my 2018 accomplishments and my 2019 goals page. And then I decided to draw a little doodle here. So this one's good vibes only. I plan to live by this in 2019. You might be able to see through. I wrote a cover page for January and I didn't like it. And I wasn't ready to start January yet. So I taped the pages together, and then I have video ideas here. This is an attendance tracker that I have yet to do, just because honestly a lot of my teachers don't care about attendance, or they don't take attendance, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this page. I might still do it, I just have yet to get to it. Video ideas, and then I start in January. So I have this little quote that says things take time, and then just January, and the calendar, and then this is my actual calendar. So I don't really write much on this, honestly, unless I plan it before the month starts. I write it here, but honestly, other than that, I don't write stuff. So I have my flight to go see my boyfriend, his graduation. That's about it. And then I have video ideas for January over here, which next month I'm gonna try and write them here and then plan which days I'm gonna upload them. I'm planning on uploading actually on Sundays this year. Don't keep me accountable because college is hard, and also I have a roommate who happens to always be in the room, so I don't like filming when she's in here, so I only film when she's gone. So sorry about that, but if I'm filming a vlog, it's easier to film that. But yeah, that's my monthly spread. And then this is for my trip to go see my boyfriend. So I planned out all my outfits. I wrote the itinerary, my flight info, and then I just went ahead and did like a collage little spread. So I have like stuff we did and pictures from that weekend. Then I have my habit tracker and my mood tracker over here. Let me be honest, I kind of stopped filling them in. I don't like doing it. It's not fun. I always forget, so I like the look of it, but I just don't like filling it in. So some of the stuff I actually done and I just forgot to fill it in, so that's why it's so bland. The thing I've been most consistent with is the gym, besides when I was at my boyfriend's BMT graduation, but other than that, I've been really consistent with that, and everything else I haven't been filling out, so yes. Then this is my daily routine. I went ahead and put sticky notes over it because I don't want anyone to know that. And then as we flip to the next page, we get in to my first weekly spread. So all of them basically look like this. So I like to have let me go to the next week because the next week's a lot better. So all of them have my schedule, test, quizzes on this side. And then over here it has next week. And then I attempted to do that. And then I realized I started with Monday and not Sunday. So I kind of quit with that. And it's honestly, I don't really care. And yeah, I have like every like day I kind of write like a running list of what I need to do that day and like stuff, and then over here I just write like work or quizzes or something like that. And then next week is for school and work. Well, sometimes I put work here, it depends. So yeah, this next page is kind of embarrassing. It honestly was just like school supplies. I needed somewhere to write it, so I just wrote it on this random page. So I wrote what I needed for school supplies, and then this page was empty and I decided to write you got this. Honestly, I think it looks terrible, but you know, whatever. Then I attempted the spread 50 times and I finally got similar to what I had last semester. Last semester, mine looks so good. And I don't have my bullet journal anymore because obviously it was for 2018 and that's at home. So I couldn't remember how I did this. So I kind of tried my best. And also January is a month where we just started school. So I couldn't start from like the very first. So it's like spread out awkwardly. But this is just where my assignments are due. So I keep up with them. I take it from my syllabus and put it in here. And then this is my last January spread. I went ahead and wrote this out so I could write stuff in here just because I like kind of writing ahead of time. And so again, I have my this week, again January, the last week isn't that long, so I just have that. And then I have my next week, Sunday through Saturday, just because, I don't know, I think I had space for it, so I was like, no, why not? And then my last page is my February spread, and I might tape this together because I'm not a fan of it at all. I had this as my background, the hearts, and I thought it was really cute, but I don't really like it. I don't like how this is black, so I might redo it with just the pink hearts and then write February in red and tape it together because I'm not a fan. And then this page blank because I might retape it. And then on this spread, since February is the month of love, I didn't know where to put this letter my boyfriend wrote me. It's just been sitting on my desk and I didn't have anywhere to put it, so I went ahead and taped it into my February spread. And then I have a quote over here which I'm not really complete with, I think, but it just says, I have found the one whom my soul loves. And that is all that I have so far. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.